Good morning, good evening, or something in between. I'm James Ortiz with GoEngineer, and I have a question for you. Why go with Go? Today we're going to go over some of the benefits of subscription service when you have a partnership with GoEngineer. So what do you get with your yearly maintenance fee? You get access to the latest and greatest version of SOLIDWORKS and the add-ons that your company purchased, access to mysolidworks.com, and free certification exams through SOLIDWORKS Corporate. But wait a minute, you get that from any reseller. So why go with Go? It's our ability to support you. Go has offices in every time zone in the US. Your nationwide technical support team includes over 140 skilled technicians through phone, email, and web communications. Depending on your location, your support hours cover Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, or 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard. We also have AMS, or Application Mentoring Services. This is an hour session meant for those get your hands dirty issues. GoEngineer has recently launched a newly formatted website designed to streamline your employees' experience while online with upfront links to valuable information. Let's open your web browser and type www.goengineer.com. On the support page, select Technical Support to access your subscription service benefits. Just some quick blurbs of what some customers have said about their support experience in the past. Please take note of some of the ways to contact support, by phone or email. Further down is a link to schedule time with a technician. Select Schedule Support to start the process. This will link you to our topics page. Here you will see the different fields we have experts for. Just an FYI, non-subscription customers are charged a fee per 15-minute blocks. Let's select CamWorks. This will start the scheduling process. First, set your time zone. You select the date and time that is most convenient for your appointment and fill in the rest of the form, and then submit your application. You will receive an email confirming your appointment. Please remember that technical support is used for bug reporting, licensing questions, and installation issues. But what if you need a more personal hands-on experience? That expert help that goes beyond basic support. This is where your AMS kicks in, or Application Mentoring Services. This is where you get a 1-hour session with an application engineer for one-on-one help with your technical needs. Don't know how to use a tool, a feature doesn't react the way you thought it should, need help with some machining post-processing. This is your path to get it done. Let's go back to our support page. Now we're going to select Schedule a Session to access your specialist on your topics page. GoEngineer covers all your design, testing, prototyping, manufacturing, marketing, and data management needs. Talk about one-stop shopping. Notice our extensive list has more than just 1 or 2 experts in your field of discussion. Hey, look at that beautiful mug. Select your topic expert. Just like before, set your time zone. Remember, we have technicians across the United States, so we have you covered. Then select the desired date and time. Please note, you will not be able to schedule an AMS for today. We feel that it is not fair to schedule an AMS and not give the specialist time to investigate your issue. But in an emergency, contact your GoEngineer salesperson and they may be able to squeeze you in. Next, you fill in your contact information, who you are, company information, and the best way to contact you if need be. Explain your issue in detail and add any files that help show your problem. We are looking for specifics on the topic. Each session is $250 an hour. However, as a perk for your company maintaining subscription service with GoEngineer, we will waive this fee and all you need is a coupon code. So, a 5-minute conversation with your GoEngineer salesperson can save you that fee. Then submit your request. Emails will be sent out to all involved and your tech may contact you if needed. When you go with Go, you leverage your business with superior support technicians with decades of experience, skilled trainers that can fast-track your designers to become more efficient and profitable, PDM experts with hundreds of customer successes in managing their product data. Rapid prototyping specialists who will be able to help you get your product to market faster. CNC wizards that can help you with machining needs. Simulation masters that can help you find failures in a design before you attempt to even cut parts. With many more experts in various fields to help streamline your business as a whole, giving you the advantage over your competition. Come check out our webpage at www.goengineer.com. Sign up for your first AMS application mentoring session and get the ball rolling to a successful business. You'll have world-class support at your fingertips. And that is why you need to go with Go.